Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix Beyond Bank login not working issue. If you're trying to log into your Beyond Bank with the help of the application on your mobile device but you are not being able to do so, then here's how you can fix the issue. First, while logging into your Beyond mobile banking application, make sure that you are typing in the correct credential. If you don't remember your credential, then you can tap on the forgotten link and follow through the on-screen prompts. Even after typing in the correct credential, if you are not being able to log in, then the next thing you could do is to check if your mobile device is connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Make sure to choose a stable internet connection for yourself and try logging into your account again. If that still doesn't fix, the next thing to do is to check for available update for your Beyond Bank application. Open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for Beyond Bank into the search box. If you see an update button right next to the app, tap the update button to get the latest version of the app. If you're using an outdated version, you might be having issue to log into your account. Once you update the application, make sure to open up the app again and try logging in by entering your credentials. Sometimes your app might be going through a temporary server issue, so in that case you'll need to wait for a few minutes and try logging in later. If you're still not being able to log in, then you can simply delete the application from your iOS device. Press and hold the Beyond Bank application from the app drawer and tap on Remove App. Tap Delete App and tap on Delete one more time to delete the application from your iOS device. Now, get back to your App Store, search for Beyond Bank and re-download the application again on your iOS device. Once you download the application, tap it open again and try logging in to see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the most easiest and common fixes you could try out whenever your Beyond Bank application is not working on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.